everybody and welcome back to my habitat. Today I'm going to do kind of a kitchen day. I'm not going to be talking to you guys much. I'm just going to be going through a lot of my produce and canning, making paste because I have a lot of tomatoes, processing some carrots, shredding them and then freezing them. And I might even get to crabapple jelly, which would be great. This video might go over 2 days. I'm not going to be talking much. It's going to be mainly time lapses. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Okay, that is it. I have tomato paste done, crabapple jelly. I will be making probably, quite a few more jars of crabapple jelly. It is one of my favorites. And that zucchini is from my dad's garden, so zucchini bread is in my very near future. And the final thing we processed was the shredded frozen carrots, each kind of portioned into 1 cup. Now you might be wondering, why did I pre-freeze it? That is because I didn't have the bags to slip the 1 cup of carrot in and then freeze it. So I pre-froze it on a pan just to get that done. I want to say thank you guys for watching. I had a blast. I love growing food and preserving it, eating what I grow. It's one of my biggest passions. And I'm happy I can share these very, very busy days with you guys. Now, after a long day of canning and preserving food, I always love to sit back and relax. Just kidding. I have dishes to do. So many freaking dishes. So while I'm busy cleaning, I'm gonna sign off here. Till next time, guys, stay canning.